Let's talk about making transformations in Photoshop. When you crop, you can set your desired size and resolution in the options bar. You can also resize an image from the Image menu by selecting Image Size. Unless you have Resample unchecked, any change you make here will result in resampling of the image pixels, so be careful. Going from a bigger size to a smaller one is usually not a problem though. Obviously, you can crop an image using the Crop tool. In addition to that, you can also go to Image, Canvas Size to crop. You set your anchor point to determine where you want to crop from. And this works well if you know what you can get rid of on one edge or a corner of the image without cutting off anything important. All the different transformations are available from the Edit Transform menu, but Free Transform is the most flexible. It can change its behavior based on what keys you hold down. You can rotate by hovering outside a corner and dragging. You can distort by holding Control or Command and dragging a corner or side. You can skew by adding Shift to Control or Command and dragging a corner or side. Flipping has two options, horizontal or vertical. Warp lets you take the rectangular bounds of the layer and distort them into a non-rectangular shape. This will distort the image inside the rectangle.